Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this, and after that you will enter boot mode. Here at the boot mode you can use volume up key to navigate and volume down key to select, and here you have such options as recovery mode, fast boot mode and normal boot. If you want to exit this mode, just select the last option, normal boot, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.